what will happen to the egg. Okay, so today's day 1. Tomorrow we are going to write again. We're going to look at the egg, and then the third day I'm going to take it out. Okay, I won't take it out right now. I'm just going to leave it right in there for you. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm going to put this right here next to us, and I won't move it. It's going to sit here even at night when I go home. So, all right, so here we go. I need you to have your writing journal out, and you are going to do some writing for me. So I'm going to explain the centers, and I'm going to let you go, okay? All right, I use the same writing journal that we use every day when we use directed drawing, when we write out our thoughts, okay? Okay, I'm going to use a pencil, and let's put our date on. We just did calendar, October 5, 2020. And I'm going to write the word I predict. Okay, and skip a space. Predict, predict. We need that blend. Okay, predict. It. Okay, tell me what you think will happen to the egg. I predict the eggs will and use your phonics. Use your blends chart. Use your snap words. Help you write. Okay, when you are done, maybe you can draw that jar of egg, and it looks like, oh, small like this. And here's my egg, and I'm going to add vinegar. And scientists, we label everything. Vinegar, egg, and I want to say jar, because you're going to need all of this. Okay, so you're going to write about it. That is part of your job.